Okay, so this is a follow-up video on the manicure that I did on Friday, and I posted the video yesterday. So this is 3 days, okay? So from a distance, this still looks quite good. And I have to say, I'm very happy with how this manicure turned out, and I actually really enjoyed wearing it. So this is how the nails are looking. The left hand obviously is better. And the right hand, I kind of damaged right away because when I finished my manicure, I started cooking dinner and I kind of smudged a couple of these nails. So obviously this was not like a fully dry, but I didn't give it like 20 minutes to dry or anything. It was just much less. So as you can see, there was a little bit of wear on these ones, but other than that, I don't know, it's pretty good. So I had quite a few people ask and say, well, you know, with the base coat, it would last longer, or with the top coat, it would last longer. But let's not just forget, better is not always better. So for some people, this is just a quick weekend manicure, and for that purpose, I think it's perfect. So I'm going to remove this and see if it stains and see how easy it is to remove. I'm going to use pure acetone and these little pads. What I do is I tear them into usually 4 pieces, and I get that down ahead of time. I used to cut them, but I don't know, I'm a little more lazy now. All right, so I'm going to saturate this quite well, place it on a nail, hold it, if you hear the chomping sounds, it's my dog chewing on a stick. She's a puppy. I'm not going to, you know, ruin it for her and tell her to stop. All right. The key is to place it, like hug it a little bit, and wait a couple seconds. All right. Actually, this might need a thicker one. All right, so let's just go back to this one and press down. Press down. See how I kind of roll away? Okay, press down. So I don't rub it into the nail. This is the most important thing. And another thing that I wanted to show you is what I do here is I place it, wait a few seconds. When I go to remove it, oopsie daisy, I go like this away. I don't go like this when this is saturated with red nail polish. So I'm going to now grab a full one. This is a little messy. And now you can go back and forth really, because there was barely any nail polish. This is just too clean. I'm getting into the sides. So if you would be so very kind, I really enjoy reading your comments. Please let me know what you think about this removal. Okay, do you see any staining? I really don't. Staining happens, and I'm not saying this is not going to happen with this nail polish. I would say it probably will eventually, over time, it will yellow the nails, but I don't really see much yellowing now. I don't. On camera, they look a little bit more yellow, but in real life, they're not. I'm going to give you a little explanation why this happens sometimes. So when the surface of the nail is quite dense, is not porous, because porous really means damaged, the polish is not going to stain as much, and it's not going to affect the nail as much. So when the surface is porous, I find that these type of nail polishes are going to not really stain, but they're going to be a lot of polish left behind in the little grooves. But when the nail is nice and smooth and naturally smooth, I'm not talking buffing smooth, This does not usually happen. Okay, so here's what I do. I have a little plate here, so I don't put this on the table. And I'm going to remove the polish. Can you see the stick here? Yeah, you know, she has this huge stick that she brought from the outside. And you know what, whatever. I allow her to chew it on the couch, whatever makes her happy. It's on the couch. And you know what? People always blame dermatologists, including the nail polish remover or acetone on the damage. No, it's not the acetone. It's not the nail polish remover. It is the actual polish that can damage the nail plate. Unfortunately. And any nail polish. Some polishes more so than the others. Also, it depends on the condition of your nails. Nails that are more damaged are going to get damaged easier because that's just the way it is. Okay, go back and away. Okay, and go away. So yes, there is some nail polish left, but let's not worry about it. Away. Away. And now let's clean it up. So after removing a nail polish, I like to give my nails a couple days break without nail polish, just so the nail can, in my opinion, absorb some of the oils. So here's my little routine. At this point, I just nudge the skin back to keep it nice and trained to sit where it should be sitting. When you do this on a regular basis, the skin does shrink around the nail. Okay. By the way, these little sticks I'm now including in the kit. In our nail kit, because they are very helpful sometimes. Okay, look at this. Look at this tail. All right, so now I'm going to just use some of the Salve. And normally I apply a very small amount, just like this. But because I just removed nail polish, I'm gonna give my nails a little treat. And Vida, no. Oh my God, she's into everything. No, go. Get some underneath as well, and the other hand. Yeah, and let the nails, you can even use your thumb, absorb some of that oil. Do a warm oil soak, for example. That would be a good time to do that as well. Do one of the treatments if you are using treatments. Okay, so this Salve comes right now in the kits as a gift because these are kind of like samples. I will be having it made, well, I am having it made in a cosmetic lab professionally. They should be done in January, the Salves, so then it will be for sale. I have to say, guys, and it's not because I'm, you know, it's mine, but I absolutely adore this product. Took me a couple years to figure out the formula. It's absolutely beautiful. It's silky smooth. It's very easy to use. It's not greasy. I mean, unless you over apply it. Right now, this feels a little greasy, but if you're using small amount, just like this, it's not greasy at all. Okay, so this is how my nails are looking. Not bad, eh? All right, let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your comments and your feedback. I really appreciate it. Bye.